In this video we are going to talk about sex without pleasure. It's very common in the society to talk about how women feel uncomfortable or are not able to arrive to her climax. But it's not often to talk about the problems that males have with this sexual function. In our clinic, it's very common to affront this kind of topic of people that come to us having a problem with the sexuality, or especially telling us that they don't feel pleasure while they are having sexual relations. This can be because a function, an alteration on the penis, we can solve it with some surgeries, but especially because they feel a lot of pressure or they don't feel attracted by the other in the relation. The main thing that you have to work in when you have this kind of problems is the psychological sense of the body and the psychological sense of the penis. You have to teach yourself how to make pleasure to your penis, make masturbations longer than 20 minutes, and try to recover the pump, the muscle that is your penis. If you don't train your muscle, you are not going to achieve your best results in the sexual sense. If with this is not enough, you can always try to improve how your penis works via a surgery. We have two kinds of surgeries, especially for problems with erection and with problems with ejaculation. You can check all of them in our YouTube channel, and you feel free to ask us about these problems.